got some POY Performance wing stiffs. They kind of look like that when they're in. Who previously fit this because he told me it was a K&N and it's just a fucking shit one. So get that over there. Morning guys, and welcome back to a Wednesday vlog. I'm going to do a couple of things today. Fit a new Cosworth air filter, sort my wing out and have a look at getting that prepared for paint, and sort some new wing stiffs I've got out. So I'm going to pull my car into my driveway and let's get on with it. Japanese life. Incredibly windy today, but I've got some POY Performance wing stiffs. They kind of look like that when they're in. They're not the Perrin ones, they're just the cheap ones you can buy off eBay, but you know, I'm not made of money, so let's see if we can get them installed. I don't really know how they go on because they've got 3 bolts, 3 screws, but there's actually no screw holes or anything, and they're not the best fit because I'm guessing this is just a rep wing, but let's have a go at getting them on. I don't know if I'm going to do 3 or 2 and see what works out best. I've got my handy drill with a drill bit in it, and the idea is I'm just going to do a little hole through here and maybe a hole through the middle one, just so it's got some support so the actual wing stiff can stay in there rather than just fall. So you've got my drill bit in there. We've just gone through and leaves a hole there. Now I've got to repeat that on the next 2, drilling some holes through my new wing stabilisers. Done! Okie dokie, so lesson number 4000 of this channel is buy the correct and proper stuff. For starters, get a proper wing because you'll get gaps. I've got gaps because it's not a proper wing and you've got gaps there, but what I'm going to do is when the wing is painted black, little line of silicone, and it will look fine. I've also had to screw it in at the front. I know it looks gash, but again, it's the only way I could get them to stay there. But yeah, it don't look too bad. It will look fine from afar when the wing's painted black. And that's what it looks like from the back. But it don't look too bad, to be honest. I like it, so that's all that matters. Find a way of keeping them straight and in line, but they're in, and they don't look too bad, to be honest. So I just wanted to get these in now before we paint the black, because as you can see, I just wanted to get the holes right, so any holes that I've messed up where the spacing wasn't quite right, we can fill with the filler, because this wing has got a nasty crack in it, which we are gonna sort out and do a little bit of a fiberglass repair job, but this wing is completely fucked now. But yeah, that's that one job done. At least they're in and it looks reasonably okay for now. Just gonna leave it like that. I mean, when you're sitting down here, it looks absolutely fine. Even though we've still got a gashy red wing, it looks fine. You can't really see the gaps, so I'm gonna say that's a pretty successful, even though I had to screw it, which you're not meant to do. Is actually, you're only supplied in the kit with some double-sided sticky tape, but I don't think it's going to stay with double-sided sticky tape, so when we paint the wing black, I'm going to silicone it. But yeah, I'm not even going to try and make excuses for myself. It's horrible and horrendous. I should have bought a proper wing, but they're about 300 quid, and I'm not made of money. I find myself saying that a lot. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Don't look too bad, to be honest. Job of the day, which is fitting this lovely Cosworth performance air filter. I think I've got a K&M one at the moment, but it's recommended the Cosworth's the best one on the forums. So let's have a little look at what we're working with. Oh my god, this engine bay looks disgusting. For anyone that tries and says that the Subaru engine bay looks nice, bin off, because it looks horrendous. But yep, let's get that in over there. So it just goes in here. So we've got 2 little clips there, and then I don't really know how to get it. I think you just take like these pipes off and then take the old one out and it comes up as one. But let's get into it and have a look, shall we? So yeah, you just lift it up and it goes in there. But on inspection, my mechanic lied to me who previously fit this, because he told me it was a K&N and it's just a fucking shit one. So get that over there. Let's fit a nice new Cosworth performance one, shall we? So the way you do this is you lift this up. It's really hard to do with one hand, but I'm going to try and do it. Slide it in with the silicone facing up. Clip it in so it's sitting all flush around each corner. Line those back. I don't know if you can see it, but there's 2 clips back there, down in here. Line those up at the back, on the back there. They go down like that, which pushes the silicone. Clip, and then clip, clip, and then clip. And feel underneath if you catched anything. I haven't. Take a look back round here and see if you've got all the clips clipped in, which I have. And then, oh yeah, clip your pipes back in, stop them from moving around in the engine bay. Not like it's gonna fucking matter, because look at all the other stuff that can move around. Jank. But yeah, that is done. Job number 2 done of the day. We've actually got a nice little performance air filter in there now. If I had that on the dyno, it may have gained some more. I thought it had a K&M one, so obviously not, because it's sitting over there and it's a piece of crap. Made in Poland, fresh. But yeah, it's done. That's done. Then we've got the seal of approval with a nice little Cosworth sticker, because you know 100% legit, it's 100% Cosworth airbox. We're going to close this nightmare of wires, cables and pipes. And never look at that again. Bye bye. Today is to just give the car a clean, so let's get into it. Illy scum covered with the traffic foam remover. Just going to let that soak in for a couple of mins. Get a microfiber and a hot bucket, rub it down, and jet wash it off, and then we're done. That is now clean. I'm not going to bother wiping it down because it's raining again in Surrey. What do you expect? But yeah, that is clean for now. I hope you did like this video. It's just another little vlog on a Wednesday we're doing. We're going to do a lot more of these every Wednesday. We're going to upload about 8 PM. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little vlog of me messing up my car even more. Please like, subscribe, turn that bell notification on, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Hello! Welcome back to Modify Weekly, everybody. And today, I've unwrapped it, so you've got to see it in my hand. We've got a K-tuned idle air assist valve delete. fairly simple because it's just this little ugly T-piece here and this bit here. So yeah, let's get straight into it.